Hello money makers. Welcome to today's top 5 market updates. We start today in the US, where June's manufacturing and services PMI to be out at 9:45 Eastern Standard Time. The IHS Markit US manufacturing PMI is expected to be 48, up from 39.8 in May of 2020, matching initial estimates and above a record low of 36.1 in April. Services PMI is expected to be 46.5, up from 37.5 in May. Services PMI sectors cover transport and communication, financial, business and personal services, computing, hotels and restaurants. Next up we have new home sales report at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. They are expected to be up 3.5% for the month of May, or 640,000 compared to a gain of 0.6% the previous month. COVID-19 has been hammering the housing market over the past few months. Existing home sales, which were released on Monday, came in around 3.9 million, below expectations and down from more than 4 million the prior month. In the commodities sector, the API crude and product inventories data will be out at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. American Petroleum Institute will release its own data on crude oil and product inventories. The reopening of some U.S. states and countries around the world after lockdowns has helped sustain oil's recent rally as demand for fuel returns. On the supply side, US and Canadian oil and gas drillers cut the number of the rigs they are operating to a record low. Brent crude was up 6 cents at $43.14 a barrel, after gaining 2.1% on Monday. US oil was up 8 cents at $40.81 a barrel, having risen 1.8% in the previous session. We head to Europe for the next update, where the PMI shows in June the economy has started to open up. The historic downturn in the Eurozone economy eased again this month as vast swathes of businesses forced to close in order to stem the spread of the coronavirus reopened, a survey showed on Tuesday. IHS Markit's Flash Composite Purchasing Managers Index (PMI), seen as a good gauge of economic health, recovered to 47.5 from May's 31.9, moving closer to the 50 mark, separating growth from contraction. In April it was a record low 13.6. For our final update we head to Germany as the PMI data depicts the private sector has started to move out of recession. Germany's private sector recession eased further in June, but coronavirus-related disruptions and uncertainty continued to weigh on demand, a survey showed on Tuesday, suggesting that Europe's largest economy is set for a slow recovery. IHS Markit's Flash Composite Purchasing Managers Index (PMI), which tracks the manufacturing and services sectors that together account for more than 2/3 of the economy, improved to 45.8 from 32.3 in May. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for regular updates. Only on Capital Street FX.